Hi everybody. Today I want to share my thoughts on the Blaupunkt Frankfurt RCM 82 DAB that I have installed in my 1993 Hyundai car. There aren't many in-depth reviews of the features of this head unit in YouTube, so that's why I wanted to go through everything this unit offers and how it performs in daily use. First I want to talk about the design. As you can see, this is a unit that recreates very well the vibes from the 90s. That's why I bought it and I put it in this car. So it matches quite well with the dashboard, with the interior of the car in general. This is a very nice feature that they included because, of course, these cars from the 90s and early 2000s, they used to have the slot for the cassette. Here you have it as well, but in this case it's just this cap. You open it up, and instead, of course, of the slot for the cassette, you have different slots for the SD cards, for USB sticks, and also this input for auxiliary. So yeah, this is a very nice touch, and it feels like a very good quality. The frame of the head unit, I think, is made of metal, all this part, but the buttons are made of plastic. But the feel of this plastic, it's also quite good. The knob, it's also, I think, made of plastic with some rubbery material on top. But yeah, in terms of quality, it feels like it's high quality. It's important to mention the backlight. But I think by default it came with this kind of orange amber color, but you can customize that. You can set any color that you want. I like this color because it matches with my with the other lights in my dashboard and in the cluster. But yeah, you can set it in green, purple, any color that you want. Now for the sound section, the unit delivers 4 channels, 50 watts each, and it has a 14-band equalizer for front and rear speakers. You can adjust the crossovers and cut off frequency for all these different bands, so it's quite accurate. In my case, yeah, it's just some kind of basic calibration, but you can really go in depth with this setting, let's say, of the equalizer. We can check some of the main options that you have available for in this head unit. For that, you have to press this button with the 3 lines, and yeah, here you have this kind of yeah, functionalities for the tuner. You have audio, display, volume, clock, and yeah, some various stuff. They put it here. Bluetooth, it's the last one. So yeah, for example, for tuning, this traffic off, I think it's yeah, this unit comes with some functionality that allows you to show here in the screen some traffic announcements. We don't have this in my location, so that's why I deactivated it. Here are some, yeah, I think, other options, but they're related to that, so most likely they are not available in my area. That's why I don't yeah, put too much attention to them. But as you see, you have many options in terms of the tuning, no? One thing that caught my eye here, it's area. You have Europe, Asia, USA, South America. I'm in South America, so I will leave it there. Okay, so we go to the next one, audio. Here you can yeah, set up your bass, the treble, the balance between the front and rear speakers, or left and right, the fader. And you can set the equalizer. I will not go into detail about this because it might be quite long, but I might do another video about that. Also here you can set the cutoff frequencies for the high pass filter, low pass filter. You can activate loudness. This is quite useful when you are not really used to turn on the volume too high. But yeah, as you see, there are many things. So yeah, you can have some fun playing around with them. For the display, I already showed you. It allows you to change the color of the screen and some other stuff. Yeah, the clock, you can set it to different modes, the typical stuff for the AM, PM, or in 24 hours. And yeah, here you can set the time. And in various, yeah, there is this demo. You can activate this demo if you want the color of the screen to be changing constantly. I don't like that, so that's what I have it in. Oh, I have it in off. I leave it like this. And version, yeah. But yeah, these things are nothing special. So yeah. Okay, so now I would like to do an audio test, so you can see, or at least feel, no, the quality of the head unit. Yeah, the setup that I have now, I have two JL front speakers, two Blaupunkt rear speakers, and one subwoofer. The subwoofer is directly connected via RCA cables to the head unit, and I have an amplifier that it's yeah, it feeds the four speakers, and it's connected also via RCA cables to the head unit. Okay, so now we can maybe turn on this. This is I think I'm streaming this song directly from my smartphone. Okay, so now to close this review, I will just show the entire dashboard, so you can see how this unit matches the rest of the interior of the car. So even the color, I think it's very similar to what it came in for the rest of these pieces. Yeah, this is something that I did by my own. It's in the beginning it comes or the car came with just a very basic digital clock, but using a Raspberry and this LCD screen, I did this nice digital clock. Actually, it gets synchronized from the satellite, so you never have to do this adjusting of the time like manually. It always gets the time from the satellite. Here also it shows you the type of the oil that I'm using, when I have to change it. Of course, it shows you the date. And when you are driving the car, it will show you how many kilometers you did it per day, per month, the temperature inside of the car, humidity levels. Yeah, many nice things and useful data, no, that you want to have when you are driving. So yeah, here is the cluster, and yeah, basically that's what I have to say about this Frankfurt unit. I love it. I really like it. I'm happy that I did this purchase, although it was 400 euro, but yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So with that, I close my review. I hope you like it, and yeah, maybe soon I will upload more content about